Dr. Bob, the Old Scouter here. This week I was supposed to be out hiking for 3 days in one of our state parks, but unfortunately my plans fell through, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to go through with you what I have in my day pack that I take with me every time I go hiking. This is my small day pack. If weather is really threatening or if I have to carry some other things like a camera with me, I have a larger day pack. Holds a bit more, but it's a bit more cumbersome. This is my usual go-to pack that I keep packed all the time and I can just kind of grab and go. So the most important thing that I have in my day pack is water. I have 2 half-liter water bottles. I usually fill these just before I leave. My larger pack will hold 2 1-liter water bottles. So if I'm out for a prolonged period of time, chance that I may get caught overnight, I take that pack. This particular pack has a number of little openings, little pouches, compartments, if you will. In here I carry a number of things. I carry sunscreen. I carry insect repellent. And I carry hand sanitizer at all times. I have a little emergency poncho, so if I do get caught unexpectedly with rain, I can cover myself up with that. I keep either a packet of facial tissue or a little bit of toilet paper with me in case I get a cold or in case nature calls while I'm out in the woods. I keep a small LED flashlight with me that will suffice if I get caught after dark. I have a small multi-tool with blades, pliers, etc. And lastly, I have a couple of little candy tins here, held together with a rubber band. The first candy tin is my first aid kit. I have a number of Band-Aids, moleskin, which I've cut to fit into the tin very nicely, and a pair of manicure scissors, which can be used to cut the moleskin to shape so that if I start to feel a blister coming on, I can treat it right away. I don't have to wait till I get back to camp or anything like that. This is very handy. It fits into a pocket even if you don't have a day pack. So anytime I go out hiking, I always slip one of these into my pocket. And that way, if I start to feel a blister, I can treat it right away. These do tend to pop open occasionally, so that's one of the reasons why I have the rubber band. I also carry some drink mix with me, some of these little packets of lemonade mix, iced tea mix. We have a saying around here that water is a clear, colorless, tasteless, odorless liquid, except at Camp K, because sometimes the water sources, although safe, are not exactly taste-free, and so it's nice to have a little something to make it a little more palatable. Those I keep with this rubber band. If I'm going out someplace that's undeveloped or in the wild, rather than a state park, which is well traveled, then I'll take with me an emergency blanket. This is aluminized Mylar. I can use this as an emergency blanket. I can use it as a emergency tarp. I carry then some paracord with me and a lighter in case I get caught overnight so I can start a fire. If I'm in bear country or if I'm in wild country, then I carry with me one of these little whistles. It has a compass on it, a whistle, a thermometer, and actually a magnifying glass so I can use it to start a fire if there's sun out as well. But those I don't routinely carry. I carry those only if I'm going out into less well-traveled areas. So that's my routine day pack for hiking. Just to reiterate, water, flashlight, sunscreen, insect repellent, hand sanitizer, facial tissue or toilet paper, emergency poncho, little mini multi-tool, blister kit, first aid kit, and some drink mix. All fits nicely into this little day pack. Very unobtrusive, doesn't weigh very much, and goes wherever I go when I'm hiking. Thanks for watching, and keep